How to set one single name on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see if we can set one single name on Facebook or not. So to find out that, let's get started. Setting a single name on Facebook, that is just your first name, is generally restricted in Facebook's naming policies, which requires a first name and your last name. However, in some countries like Indonesia, users are allowed to use a single name due to their cultural naming conventions. So if you want to set a single name, what you can do is, as an alternative, if you're not in Indonesia, you can download a VPN like Express VPN, NordVPN or ProtonVPN. After that, open up the VPN and connect to an Indonesian server. Now, once you have connected to your Indonesian server, you can always open up a Facebook website or simply launch the application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right with the three-line icon. Here, tap on settings. After that, go to your account center, then tap on profile. Now select your Facebook profile. Here, tap on name. So from this space, you can edit your name. You can remove your last name, leaving only your first name, and then save your changes. And that's how you can set a single name on Facebook. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.